Morning guys, welcome back to the channel. I've got my morning coffee here. Let's get into my portfolio and how it's sitting today. Stick around. Morning guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I've got my morning coffee. It's now on 10 o'clock in the morning here on Wednesday. I need this every single minute of the day. It's unbelievable. I don't know about you guys. All right, so wanting to give you guys an update on my portfolio. Had some dividends paid out in December, which is awesome. And obviously I've had some incredible returns, guys, in the last couple of months. Really, really big returns. And that's obviously because of the market and this new COVID-19 vaccine, which is going around, which is awesome to see. As I've mentioned, I've been buying heavily since March this year, or throughout the whole year, basically. I haven't stopped. I've just kept buying and buying and buying, and whatever it is, I've just been building this portfolio to where it is now. So on the day, guys, I'm sitting at $14,930.12. Now that's roughly now over the $20,000 mark in Australian dollars, which is unbelievable. It has taken me a long time to get to that point, guys. Very cool to see. Majority of these are dividend stocks, but I have my three growth stocks, which I'll get into those in a moment. So on the day, guys, I'm up 1.2%, which is $150.45. And in total, guys, I'm up 25.64% across my entire portfolio. That is a total return of $3,046.40 USD, which is roughly nearly $4,500 to $5,000 Australian, which is incredible. To see this grow to this kind of level now, guys, with this consistency of investing every single week, you really see that growth, and really quick too, which is awesome. So hopefully by the end of this week, I'll be up over that $15,000 US mark. And I was doing a calculation the other day of how much, obviously, the dividends you required to live off. Really, I did this calculation. I think everyone should do it, really, if you're a dividend investor like me. So my average dividend yield across my entire portfolio, and this is a good thing to look at on this app that I use, which is the Div Tracker. By the way, I'm not sponsored by these guys. I really wish I was, because I probably promote the hell out of these guys. But an average of 4% across my entire portfolio. So it depends on what you really want to retire on, guys. So for example, ideally for me, it would be about $60,000 a year in dividend income. That would provide an incredible, an incredible relief, and support for your life. It gives you a lot more freedoms than having that income. So, I mean, $60,000 Australian, this is US dollars, by the way, because we're talking US currency. So 60,000 USD, and you divide that by 52 weeks, that would give you roughly $1,153 a week. So let's do this sum across my portfolio. So you get your $60,000, 60 grand, you divide that by, and you move the decimal point over on your dividend, your average dividend yield. So it'll be 0.04. So we'll do that, equals $1.5 million you'd need to invest. So check that out. So I'd need to invest $1.5 million across my entire portfolio to get an annual dividend of 60,000 USD, that's a lot of money, guys. $1.5 million. But it would provide that $60,000 a year, and it would continuously grow as well with these dividend stocks. So really cool thing to see for you guys to check out as well. So dividends I've received this month so far. Let's go through them. On the 1st of December, and we'll go down here. 1st of December, I received a dividend from PGX, ticker symbol PGX, of 6 cents. OXSQ, which is a monthly payer as well, of 22 cents. GAIN, GAIN, is 70 cents. LAND dividend of 9 cents. And obviously a big one for me is SPHD, which is the ETF that tracks the top 50 paying dividend stocks in the S&P 500. I received $6.86. LTC Properties, I received a dividend of 5 cents. That was on the 1st of December. Moved to the 2nd of December now. PFE, which I believe is Pfizer, 21 cents. WFC dividend of 2 cents. UPS dividend of 13 cents. And VCLT dividend, which is a long-term bonds by Vanguard. This is a monthly payer as well, at 34 cents. and a TLT dividend of 2 cents. Now I'm due to receive some big dividends. One of my biggest ones is ExxonMobil, guys. I believe it's going to be roughly around that $20 to $25, if not more. That's due in another day, and I'll put up the dividend tracker, which is an awesome app, guys. So check that out. Really handy tool for you guys to keep track of your dividends. I'm due to receive that in tomorrow or the day before, because it takes 24 hours for them to pay that dividend out. So really hope they don't cut that dividend, guys, but ExxonMobil is a really good payer. But yes, I know that the EV stocks are now coming up now because fossil fuels are on their way out. So this brings me to my next point, is my growth stocks, guys. So I'm heavily invested into NIO, which is the Chinese Tesla, if you want to call it that. SPCE, which is Virgin Galactic's space tourism company, and Tesla, everyone's favorite Tesla, which is now getting added to the S&P 500 on the 21st of December. So this is obviously going to affect the stock price as well. So I have been investing heavily into SPCE, guys, space, because I've believed in this company when it was an IPO back in the day, late 2019, I believe. So I bought in there. It was a really great price, by the way. So the last price of SPCE was $33.39. I have made some purchases, which is I'll put up in my screen recording here. I'm now sitting at 50.02 shares of SPCE, guys. I'm really happy about this, and I really hope they succeed with their test flight in the next couple of days. Can't wait for that. Obviously Tesla as well, getting added to the S&P 500. I did purchase some more into that fractions, which basically put me up at 4 shares of Tesla now, which is incredible. And their last price was $649.88. So this, guys, the Kathy Woods of ARK Investments has said that this stock, Tesla, is may hit $7,000 a share in the future, which would be lovely, guys. And for those of you who are holding more than 4 shares, you guys are going to make a ton of money. But I believe in Tesla and the future as well, which is incredible. And we'll move to the other one, which is NIO, guys. I am sitting at 31.17 shares of NIO. The last price was $46.56, which is incredible because I bought this stock again, as I keep saying to everyone, that at $14 earlier this year. It's awesome to see this, and I hope this company does well as well. And the really cool thing about NIO as well, that they've got a car in the Formula E, which is the electronic version of Formula One. So this is really cool, guys. I really enjoy that. Other than that, guys, we'll be investing in some dividend stocks this week as well, because I really want to grow my dividend portfolio, guys, because I'm starting to see the compounding and the growth of these dividends by reinvesting those dividends that are coming in every single month or every quarter, which is awesome to see, guys. So couple companies I want to buy more on is obviously ExxonMobil, AT&T, guys, SPHD, Realty Income. Stag is another big one as well, because they're in warehousing, and I think there's a lot of warehousing going on now because of this online world that we're all moving towards. AbbVie is another good one that I'm interested in buying as well. And we'll do some research on some other companies as well, guys, but they're the main ones that I'm interested in buying this month before Christmas as well. So I'm looking to spread out my dividend, and with that dividend tracker, an interesting thing is you can check what dividends in months you're sort of low, then you need to sort of up with your dividends. So every month you're receiving a decent amount of dividends, which you can reinvest, which is a really cool feature you can check up on there as well on the app. All right, guys, so thanks for sticking around. Let me know your comments of what dividend stocks you're interested in December. Make sure you like the video, because it really helps the algorithm as well. And if you're new to Stake, make sure you check out the subscribe link using my code there, guys, and you both can, myself and yourself, can get a stock in either Dropbox, Nike, what was the other one? GoPro. There you go. All right, guys, so stick around for my portfolio. I'll put up a screen share and my dividend tracker so you guys can see that. All right, cheers, take care, peace. Guys, welcome back to my Stake portfolio here. Went for it to load, and you can see it's sitting at $14,930.12. On the day, I'm returning $150.45, and in total, $3,046.40 USD, 25%. That is huge, guys. That's due to my growth stocks mainly, but I think just in general, the market is recovering as well, very well. So you can see that most of my holdings here are in the green, which is good to see. And obviously the big ones are SPCE, You can see there, it's down on the day, but I've made a significant return on that. And obviously everyone's favorite here, Tesla, which is now sitting at $649 a share. That is unbelievable, guys. So yeah, guys, that's my portfolio where it's sitting at the moment, and would love to put up my dividend tracker next, so stick around for that. Welcome back to my dividend tracker here. This is an awesome app, guys, really handy tool to keep an eye on for yourself. So my dividends this year, $684.41. Today I'm due to receive a dividend from AGNC of $2.08, VLO of 0.16 cents there. My top dividend payers are ExxonMobil at $173.39, SPHD at $111.04, and Prospect Capital at $101.44. Really cool things as well, guys. 68% of my goal of $1,000 a year Australian, which is awesome, and 27.87% of my dividends come from finance companies. Dividends receivable this month is $68 so far, and 31 cents. That's what I've received. Let's move to my portfolio, guys, to check that out. At $20,000, that is awesome. This is getting more accurate, guys. I think they've fixed up something here. Total return of $4,059, which is 25.34%. That is unreal, guys. You can see a breakdown of my composition here, my diversification in my portfolio there, guys, which is awesome to see. Scroll down here, and you can see all the companies that you guys have got there, and it's pretty cool. They've got the logos. I wish they'd put that back on stake. They originally had it, but they've taken them off. This is a really cool thing as well, the horizon. So let's have a look here. Okay, so $718 after 1 year, my portfolio will be worth 17,000 US Australian, which is awesome. That doesn't make sense, does it? Anyway, 18,000, 3 years, 19, so on, 20 years, my portfolio will be worth apparently $70,000 if I reinvest those dividends, and my annual dividend income in 20 years will be $5,022. So, guys, got to keep smashing this portfolio. Monthly income here, guys. So yet to be confirmed for this month is $22. And $69 will be received by the end of this month. And this is what I was explaining, guys. So you can see September, October, November's a light month for me. $39 for Jan, $38 for Feb, $92 for March, $41 for April next year, $38 for May, $90 for June. My goal would be to at least get this up to $100 a month on each month of these months. So ones I've got to focus on, these middle months here, because obviously everyone pays quarterly. So if you go to April, for example, $31, these are the companies that you should be investing in regards to increasing that dividend for the month of April. So really cool app, guys. So really check it out. It's really handy. I find it really good as well. All right, so make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel, guys. So I really like to hear and build that dividend income with you guys as well. And we'll post up some videos of my purchases towards the end of the week. All right, guys, take care. Stay safe. Bye.